It's the last of our climbing adventures, and it's a big one. We try to scale the mighty Lion Rock straight up the cliff, right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome to the 5th episode in our climbing adventures. I'm here with Prashant, George behind the camera, and Ben over there, our two instructors. Prashant, what are we going to do today?
Right, today we're going to actually finish our skilling session for George and DJ so that they can do their climbing on independently after this, and post that we're going to do trad climbing back in there, which is Lion's Rock, standing right behind.
And I've heard we are going to do some very challenging climbs today, going to push us to our limits. Let's go and give it a go.
Let's go.
Once the summer rains subside and the winter waters get too cold to coasteer, Hong Kong's granite and volcanic outcrops come into their own. The steep cliffs that surround the city offer some excellent climbing routes, with amazing mountain, island and city views. In this series, we set out to discover some of the best climbs in Hong Kong, while learning new skills along the way. Located in the centre of Kowloon Ridge, rising above the city, Lion Rock is one of Hong Kong's most iconic landmarks. The 140 million-year-old granite slab rises almost 500 metres up and is a must-conquer for local climbers. We start with the forest walk from Beacon Hill that brings us to the first of 3 pitches we hope to complete today.
Made to climb. That's me, professional climber.
We gear up and ready ourselves for a long afternoon. Pitch 1 looks easy from the ground, but just a few meters up and I start to struggle.
Keep it rolling to make sure we'll have all the evidence of DJ struggling over there.
This one is tough.
It's what?
Tough. Next up, George sets out to show me how it's done. Very soon he comes across the same issues. It's a long wait at the top for George to make the first pitch, but as always, he makes it in the end.
By the way, DJ, you remember you cheated 3 times to climb up here by using like 20 minutes or something. I used 28 minutes, but no cheating.
Not one cheat. You're amazing, George. That is impressive. So we've done the first part, Ben. What are we going to do now?
We go to check this part. We go on top. You see the rope that way, all the way to up.
Okay. How many pitches will that be?
Yes, the first one is done. Second and third, 3 pitches.
We've got 2 more to do.
Yeah.
And they say it's going to get even tougher. But I'm not leading anymore.
Yeah,
and we're leaving George down below, so hopefully we'll move a bit quicker. The second pitch proves to be equally tough and brings us to a traverse with a long vertical drop on the edge of it. Here, there is a problem. Okay, we've had a slight misunderstanding here. I'm sitting here, as you can see, right on the edge of a cliff. Beautiful view overlooking Kowloon. But my understanding was that Ben was going to go up and he was going to hold me as I went across. But now he's saying, no, I have to come across. So if I fall, I'm going to be swinging underneath here. For the final pitch, Ben is going to lead with traditional clamps rather than using bolts in the granite. This makes any fall a little more scary, as you never know if the clamp will hold. Up to this point, we have only taken on grade 5 climbs, but this looks much tougher.
Ben, what is the grade of this crack?
The new guidebook say 6A+. For me, it's 5.
Yeah, I would say so.
Yeah, the old generation is say 5, but the new guidebook is say 6A+. Because this one is pretty hard for the sport climbing people. There's a check it all the crack movement.
Yeah. So it depends what climb you're used to.
Yeah.
So this is a grade 6, George. If you're watching this later on, this is for the real pros. It's hard to express how tired and thirsty you get on these climbs. They're often short, but push your whole body to its limit. Ben falls a number of times with his attempt, but reaches the top eventually. It's even harder for me.
Well, that was not the easiest climb, and I've got to say I did cheat a little bit, as I think most of us did.
Apart from me.
Apart from Prashant, maybe. But boy, that was really tough. But wow, what a fantastic view. Look at this behind us. You couldn't want a better view as the sun goes down over Hong Kong. We sit halfway up, well, 3/4 of the way up Lion Rock, and look down.
And what goes up must come down, so we finish the day with a long abseil back down to our starting point. As the sun sets over Kowloon, we get our feet back on solid ground and reflect on what has been another great day on the cliffs.
Well, that's the final climb for me, George, Ben and Prashant. Next week, Prashant's going to be giving us a few tips. Today was an epic. How was it for you, Ben?
Oh, it's really good for track climbing. We do the Lion Rock, the Guaylo, the easy in free climb. Yeah, this we hard.
Now Ben's got a suggestion here. This is a book that has all of the climbs in Hong Kong. If you want more information or you want to get into it, this is the place to go for expanding. How was it for you today, Prashant?
Epic climbing. It was nice to see these guys struggling up top the rock. Pretty fun.
We were certainly struggling, that's for sure. Now, if you like this show, always please like and subscribe wherever you're watching this. My name's DJ.
My name's Ben.
And I'm Prashant.
This is Drone and Phone. Tell me you didn't cheat on the way up.
No.
But Prashant, tell me the truth.
No, I didn't, right?
Prashant, don't lie to me. Don't lie to me.
Well, a couple of times he did.
No, just once. Just once.
Two
once.
times.
Just once, for real.
I think I only did it twice as well,
No,
so
you
that
did
makes it
3
equal.
times.
No, twice.